Hello, how are you? So today we are doing iPhone 6, this one. This one has no power and I have no idea why there's no power, so we're gonna test it. All right, the very first thing we're going to do, we're gonna check if the PPV line is short or not. How are we gonna check that? We're going to put the multimeter on the diode mode. You can see top right. So positive to ground and negative over here, it is not short. It is showing reading, but not on the screen. Let me fix that one first. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, positive to ground and negative here. Look, it's showing 40 something something something. It means this line is not short. But this is what we check, the PPV line. What we're going to need to check is the VCC main is short or not. So how are we gonna check that? We're gonna use DC power supply for this. See on the top left, 4.2. So we're gonna put negative to negative and positive to positive, and it is short. How come we know this is short? Because without pressing the power button, this phone starts to take the amp, which is not good sign. It means as soon as we connect the battery, it start taking the amp, and I can smell something is burning. So maybe the short is gone already. Let me have a look. No, it's not. But where is getting hot, we need to find out. Okay, from here, the short is under this plate over here, somewhere here. So we just need to take off this plate, fix the short, and give this phone back to the customer. Okay, let's see this under the microscope over here. Something was getting hot over here. Here. So I assume, because this is bit black, so I assume one of these cap would be, yeah, cap would be bad. What we're going to do is inject some volt and see where this one is getting hot. Exactly. How are we going to find out? Very easy method. We're gonna make this one wet over here. Put positive, negative to negative and positive. Okay, did you see that? That's where the short is. Now I just need to figure out, is it the first cap or is it the second cap? So for that one, we just need to remove this black paste. Okay, the black paste is gone. So we're gonna put the negative to ground and positive to the battery connector. And it's the first cap. Just for testing, what we can do, we can just take off this cap. And we're gonna try now injecting the voltage. Now this area is not short. Before we place it to a new cap, we're going to test the phone, making sure the phone is working fine now or not. Here we go, the phone is on. So it means it was just that cap which was faulty. So all we need to do is just replace it with the new one, pack it up, all good to go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.